Getting tired of his own couch maybe, this time Karan Johar decided to test another. As he graced Simi's most desirable couch, it was time for the wannabe dancer in him to break free. So sit tight and watch Karan giving the Sheilas and Munnis of Bollywood a run for their money.
Karan, don't you feel because so little is known about your personal life, your private life, as you said, it causes people to speculate about you?
Well, that comes with the territory, right? If you're in the public focus, people will say all kinds of things.
Does it bother you when they speculate?
Not at all. I'm amused.
No,
it used to bother me. Then I became indifferent to it. And then I'm finally amused by it.
But when people speculate about your sexual orientation, does that bother you?
No. There are people who've asked me on national networks sometimes, and it was a Hindi show. It was meant to be just about my tie-up with another channel, and something really unsavory came my way, asking me very directly about my sexual orientation. And I looked at him and I said, why are you interested? Because it was said in such a strange way.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you're single, you're 39, there will be conjecture about your sexuality and your orientation. I have no problem with that. I'm very comfortable with hearing all kinds of rumors that float around. I'm very comfortable about what people have to say, their perception of my orientation, what they think, what all they think I'm a part of. And I have no problem. It's the territory. I can't be upset or angry about it.
But wouldn't you ever like to give respect to who you are, your identity, and come out and talk about it? And because you're a role model, Karan.
But talk about what?
About what, when they talk about your sexual orientation, come out and clear it up.
Why should I tell them that I'm straight, or I'm bisexual, or I'm homosexual, or I'm trisexual? Why should I tell them that, yes, I've actually been in love with a woman for the last 20 years, or I've been in love with 3 women, or 2 men, or 400 other people? Why should I talk about my personal life? Nobody knows what I stand for in terms of my personal life, and I like to keep it that way.
Which Bollywood actress got her plastic surgery done and it completely failed on her?
Penalty. I know not 1, 3, 4, 6, 7 names. I can't mention any of them on national television because then they won't work with me and I can't afford to do that.
Penalty.
What about the guys?
Penalty. There are 14 men and 7 women who have done bad Botox jobs and bad plastic surgeries. They're all moving around with borrowed noses, but we won't get into that.
Could you please recite to my audience the cheesiest dialogue you've ever written?
मर्द बहुत कमजोर होते हैं वो उसूल तो बना लेते हैं पर भूल जाते हैं कि दिल के आगे कोई उसूल नहीं होता और हम उन जिद्दी कमजोर मर्दों को ये एहसास दिलाते हैं कि दिल के रिश्ते धड़कनों से बनते हैं उसूलों से नहीं